I'm going to show you how to block and unblock numbers on your iPhone, especially for these bill collectors that want to call on Sundays. So the only thing you need to do is go to your recent calls and go to the number you want to block and click on this symbol here and go to the bottom and hit block this caller and hit block contact. To unblock it, just hit this unblock this caller. So we're going to block this caller again. And I'm going to show you another way on how to unblock it. So we're going to go back, we're going to go to settings and go to phone. Scroll until you find, oh, I passed it. Until you find call, block, and identification. Click on that and swipe it to the left and hit unblock. And that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. That's www.weldingandstuff.net. And thank you and have a great day.